Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your Visible Transfer PIN and plan setup, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring your Visible Transfer PIN, first, log into your Visible account. Locate the account settings option once you are logged in. Within the settings, find the section labeled Account Information. Here, you will see your transfer PIN. Make a note of this PIN as you will need it during the transfer process. Next, ensure you have your new carrier's plans and requirements ready. Visit the new carrier's website to begin the transfer process. Start the enrollment process by selecting the plan that suits your needs. When prompted, enter the transfer PIN you noted earlier. Follow the instructions provided by your new carrier. Once you have completed all necessary forms, submit your request. Monitor your email for confirmation regarding your transfer request. After confirmation, your phone number will begin the transfer process. Keep your Visible service active until the transfer has been completed. This ensures that you do not lose service during the transition. Typically, the transfer process may take a few hours but can vary by carrier. Once your new carrier confirms the transfer is complete, you may set up your new plan. Download any necessary apps for your new carrier to manage your account. Follow the setup instructions provided by your new carrier to activate your plan. Once completed, test your new service to ensure everything is working correctly. You have successfully transferred your Visible Transfer PIN and set up your new plan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.